In this video, I'll show you how to build a portfolio site with Claude AI. This is a simple way to create a personal website to showcase your work using AI-generated design and code. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to create a portfolio site. For example, I might type, "Create a personal portfolio website with a homepage, about section, and project gallery." After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will generate the portfolio site code, which may include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for layout, styling, and interactivity. If I want a more advanced portfolio, I can include more details in my prompt, such as animations, contact forms, or responsive design. For example, I might type, "Create a responsive portfolio site with animations, a contact form, and project filtering." Claude can also help improve the design, organize your content, or add new sections as needed. Once the portfolio site code is ready, I can copy or download the content and save the files on my computer. After that, I can open the website in my browser to preview and test how it looks. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to build a portfolio site. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.